Hello my dear learners, welcome to my channel. In this video series, we are learning Java programming language with practical demonstration. In the previous video, we learned about what is JDBC, how to connect your Java program with Oracle database, insert data into table dynamically, and how to display all the records from table practically by model and controller architecture with a menu-driven program. You can learn that concept by watching my previous video. Now, in this video, we will discuss about how to update the data in the database and how to delete the record from database dynamically by model and controller architecture with a menu-driven program. So, let's start the session. This is what we have done in our previous video. In that video, we have loaded the driver and then we have established the connection, and we have two methods, insert and display. And over here in the controller, what I am doing is I am just creating another case 3, and this third case is for update the data. So here you can see over here we have insert method with a 3 parameter, and we have a display method to display the data. That is what we have done in our previous video. But in this video we will discuss about two things, right? First is update and second is delete the data. So you can see over here there is no any method for update, and over here in case 3 I will call a method using the object of the database connection class connection dot update, and that update method will have a 3 parameter. As the insert method, this update method will also have 3 parameter. So to update the data, you need to call the method with the data. Okay. So as you can see over here, I am just copying this code over here from case number 1, and I will paste it in the case number 3 because I want to do the updation dynamically. So we will get the data from the user. Okay, see over here in the case 3, we taken the data from the user. Say for example, enter cricketer code to update. Here I will enter cricketer name to update. Here enter cricketer score to update. So this is what we have taken the data from the user. That data will be updated into the database. And over here we have created a variable for the same, C code, C name, and a score variable. So see over here, all the lines are same, just what is the change is? The change is the name of the method, and the parameter will also be the same with a C code, C name, and a score. So update method will have a 3 parameter. Okay, so over here I will create a method. This is my model. As you know that it is we discussed this in our previous video also. This is our model, and in the model I will create a method. Say for example, public void update, and update method will have a 3 parameter like as a insert, C code, C name, and a score. So for that in the update method there will also be a 3 parameter same as the insert. So I will copy these things from here and paste it in the update method because it is the same code. So I am just copying and paste it into the new case. So here we need to write the code for update the data. So PS equal to connection dot prepare statement. We need to prepare the statement first. That is what we discussed in the previous video also. First of all, we need to prepare the statement. So I will call a prepare statement method, and over here in the parameter of the prepare statement there will be a SQL query. Okay, so prepare statement is the method of the connection interface. That prepare statement has one parameter. I will write a SQL query to update the record. Say for example, here I will write update cricketer set C name equal to question mark. So the question mark is for the dynamic value. See over here in the insert we have also done that. In the update method I will also doing the same thing. Score equal to question mark, and then there will be a where condition to update the data. On that basis your data will be updated. So I will write where C code equal to question mark. Okay. So by that C code your data will be updated. On the basis of C code field your other fields can be updated. Okay. So this is what the SQL query we have written in the prepared statement method, and this prepared statement method will return the prepare statement. So this prepare statement method will return the object of the prepared statement. So I will write PS equal to, so this PS is our object for the prepared statement interface. So over here what we have done, we have prepared a SQL statement that will be executed for the update the data, and this question mark is I have given, that is for the dynamic value, so that we will get the value from the user. So I will write over here, first of all I will set the string over here. Say for example, set string 1 comma C name, then PS dot set integer 2 is for a score, and a question mark, the value of the question mark will be available in the score variable, so I will write score, and PS dot set integer over here, there will be a set integer. This is my third question mark, and the value of the third question mark will be available in the C code variable, so I will write C code over here. I hope you are understanding this coding approach. So that question mark are very important over here, and on that question mark the value will be available in the variable. So by using that prepared statement method, set string, set integer and set integer, we have put that value in the question mark, and then I will call a method ps.execute update. So this execute update method will execute your update query into the database. So now I am just saving the file, and in the CMD I will compile that file first. So I have to call that update method, that is what we have done over here, and in the last I will need to write a break statement over here. So this is what we have done for the update in the model, and in the controller we have called that update method with 3 parameter in case number 3. So I have to write the choice for the user over here. This is the third choice, and the third choice is for update your data. So here I will write a 3 over here. Okay, so I have given third choice for the user, and this third choice will be for the update the data. So now I am saving this file, and now I am going to compile the file java c db connection dot java, compile successfully. Now I am compiling the controller java c cricketer JDBC demo dot java. Okay, we are getting an error over here. What is the error? Variable c code is already defined in the method main. Okay, so that variable that we have declared on the for the update, it is already defined for the update method. We have created a 2 variable with the same name, so this is not allowed in the Java, right? So for that what I will do over here, I will just remove that data type from my update, so the value of the variable can be updated at runtime, right? I am compiling the controller again. It is compiled successfully. Now I am running the file java cricketer JDBC demo. Enter, driver loaded, connection established, and 3 choice over there, insert display and update. When I am pressing 2 over here, it will display all the record 1, 2, 3, Dhoni, Kohli, Rohit. Now what I am doing is I am just entering another record. 004 is the code, Gill is the cricketer name, and the score of the cricketer will be the, say for example, 1000. Record inserted successfully. Now I am displaying the record first. Let me just enter choice number 2 over there, Dhoni, Kohli, Rohit and Gill. So there are 4 records in the database now. Now I just want to update the data on the basis of the cricketer code. So for that, what I will write over here, I will choose the option number 3. First of all, I will enter the code to update the data. Say for example, I want to update the data for 001 cricketer. So I have entered 001. Sorry, I just need to enter 1 over here. Enter. I need to write the updated name over here. Say for example, Dhoni. I do not want to update the name, so the name will be as it is. I just want to change the score of the cricketer. So I am writing over here 2000. Before that there is only 1000. Now your data is updated, and let's check with display record option. See over here, the score of the Dhoni is updated now. Before that the score was the 1000, and now the score of the Dhoni is 2000. So this is what the code for the update your record into the database dynamically. We have taken the value from the user, and that value we are passing to our model, and that model will use to update the record which are available in the database. This is what the case number 3 we have written for the update the record, and this is the update method which are available in our model. So this is what the model and controller architecture. This is what the coding approach which is used in the IT companies. So now I will write a case number 4 over here, and the case number 4 will use to delete the data. So I will call a method connection.delete, and this delete method will have only one parameter. On the basis of that parameter, the record which are available in the database will be deleted. So I will create a method in my model, public void delete, and the delete method will have only one parameter. On that basis of that parameter, the record will be deleted. So here we need to write the prepare statement first. We need to prepare the statement first. So in my controller, what I will do over here, I will get one value from the user. So I am writing over here enter cricketer code to delete, and this is what we have taken the data from the user, and that value is stored into the C code. When I will call this delete method with a parameter C code, so over here there will be a parameter integer C code, and this method will throw the exception. It means it will convert your compile time exception to runtime exception. That is why I have written throws exception on line number 47. So over here I will write connection dot prepare statement. So this prepare statement method will have a one parameter as an SQL query. So I will write over here delete from cricketer where C code equal to question mark. So that question mark will be a dynamic value, will be set by the prepare statement. So over here I will write PS equal to connection dot prepare statement. So now our statement is prepared. I will call a method PS dot set integer and of 1 comma C code over here. This is what our field name is. Then I will call a method execute update. In the display method there is a execute query. In the insert method there is execute update. In the update method there is execute update, and in the delete method there is a execute update method are available. So that execute update method that we are calling is used for insert, update and delete operation in the database. I am giving another choice to the user over here in my switch case. This is for the delete the data, and this is the fourth operation that we are performing. So you can see over here our operations are increasing one by one. I will give you the practical demonstration for total 9 operations. Now I am just exiting from this program because I need to compile both the file first and then we will run the program. So I am exiting first, and then now I am compiling my model first. Say for example Java C DB connection.java. It is compiled. Java C cricketer JDBC demo.java compiled successfully. Now I am running the file with a choice number 2. All the records are displaying Dhoni, Kohli, Rohit and Gill. There are 4 records available in my database. Now I just want to delete the data first. So I will choose the fourth option. Enter cricketer code to delete. Say for example 3, and when I will press the enter, the data will be deleted from the database. And let me just check by displaying the record. You can see over here the record number 3 is deleted. There are only 3 records now. Before that there was a 4 record. After deleting there is a 3 record now. So this delete method and this case number 4 which are written for the delete method, this code is used to delete the particular record from the database. This is what the model code and a function and the method of the model is delete. With one parameter, it will delete the particular record which are entered by the user. So now I will write case number 0. For case number 0, we will close the connection. So I will write connection.close. So that close method will be available in my model, and over here I will write system.out.println thank you. So this file is what our view and controller both, you can say like that also. A cricketer JDBC demo file is our controller and a view also, because we are providing the user view from that file. Now I am compiling again both the file. Okay, cannot find symbol, close. So we do not have written the close method in our model. That is why it is giving the error. We need to define the close method in the model. So here I will write public void close, I am defining the close method over here, and in that close method what I will do, I will close the connection. So I will write con.close. so this method is available in the connection interface to closing the connection with your database. Now I am compiling again. Unreported exception, SQL exception must be caught or declared to be thrown. So I need to write throws over here. Throws exception. Saving the file now. I am compiling again. Compile successfully now. Compiling the controller. It is successfully compiled. Now I am running the file. You can see over here, when I am pressing the 0, it is giving the thank you for the user and your connection is disconnected from the Oracle database. So this is what you can close your connection from the database. And over here we have covered total 5 steps that we have discussed in our previous video. Okay, that is a load your driver, establish your connection, and then prepare statement, and then execute query, and then close your connection. So this is what 5 operation, that is I have given the practical demonstration for that, and here we are completing with total 5 operation and with total 5 step. That is what we have discussed in our theory portion also. So in this program till now what we have done, we have created a table, then we have loaded the JDBC driver, then we have prepared the statement, execute the statements, and then close the connection by insert data, display all the data, update the data, and delete the data. And in the switch case what I have given the 0 for exit. So that prepare statement is method is used to prepare your statement. Here I have given 0 for exit. So when user enters 0 from choice, it will be exited from the program. Here I will write connection closed. Okay, now I am saving the file. So when this method will be called, it will close the connection, and user will get the message on the console, your connection is closed. So this is what our 5 step was. Load the driver, prepare the connection with your database, and then prepare the statement, execute the query, and close the connection. So that is what we have done with 5 operation and with 5 step. So that's all from my side in this video. In the next video, we will discuss about how to sort and display the data on the console, how to search the record from database with a menu-driven program by model and controller architecture. So stay tuned to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.